Why is my oven not getting hot enough?
Did you pay your gas bill or electric bill?
This is not because I forgot to pay my utilities.
If you have a gas oven, the burner could have carbon buildup from an incomplete burn.
Or sauce that spilled when I took a tray out and carbonized.
For gas oven, the oven may not get hot enough because the gas valve has a blockage or unable to open all the way.
That only explains it if I had a gas oven.
If you have electric heating elements in your oven, the oven has a hard time getting up to temperature if one or two elements are burned out.
I'd expect it to just take longer to get to temperature.
If your hot water heater has a heating element go out, you'll either wait a long time for the water to get tepid or have hot water pull through before it all goes cold.
So the oven may not get hot enough because a heating element is out, or it may be hot on the side where the food is not.
You know it is a heating element when you put in a pan of baked goods and half are burned before the other half are done.
That or a fan is out.
If you're using an oven with convection mode, with a fan surrounded by a heating element, the food in the front of the oven won't heat up because the hot air doesn't make it there.
I do not have that type of oven design.
Do you ever run the self-clean cycle?
That would explain why the oven does not preheat, if the self-cleaning cycle burns out the broiler elements.
If it baked your temperature sensors so the thing thinks the oven is at 350 when it is at 250, that could explain why it does not heat up like you want.
Or the thermometer is broken.
The temperature sensor is a thermometer, is a thermistor, it goes by a lot of names.
It does recognize that it is not hot enough, but it cannot quite get hot enough.
The mechanical controls that turn on and off the heating elements could be broken. Where it fails to turn on the heating element every time it is commanded to do so by the control panel.
That's at least something I know can get fixed, though not as cheaply as replacing a heating element.
It could be a problem with the control panel itself, though I'd say power cycle it by flipping the breaker before you plan on replacing the control panel.